Another one. Here we go. First of all, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy 2024. Okay, today, very basic video, but a problem that might occur, will occur eventually, is on your pool brushes, they have these clips, right? And, you know, the clips insert themselves into the pole. And over time, when you're brushing, the girth of these clips, just from your motion, it gets kind of shaved down, eroded. Erosion's the proper term, but you see, they're really worn down. And here's a new one. You can tell the girth. Try to get as close as I can. See how worn down that is? Look at the girth on the new one. All right, simple replacement. Just turn it upside or backwards. It's spring loaded, so get one side in, wiggle it out, get the other side, boom, and again, look how worn down that is. And you got a new one. I'll leave a link in the description to these, pretty cheap. All right. Okay. Basically only goes in one way. Get one side in. Well, got that. Spring loaded. Got that back in business. Look how beat up that one was compared to that one. Remember, it was sliding off. Let's get this back on. Oh, now look at that, a lot less. So, quick one today, down and dirty. Again, Happy New Year. These spring clips that actually go towards your pool brushes. Over time, you're brushing. All this motion, all this movement will erode that nice piece to something that looks like this. Okay, gets broken down. And easy replacement, spring loaded. Oh, sorry. Again, boom, boom. Take one side in, take the other side out. With the old one, put the new one in, and you're back in business. Again, Happy New Year, and see you on the next one.